We've made it to Epcot.
Yep.
We are headed over into the World Showcase.
Yep.
We are going to...
Yep.
We're gonna try to ride the boat ride in Mexico.
I've never ridden it.
Yeah, we've never been on it. And we're also, I gotta get my passport. Oh, it's windy. Get the rest of my passport stamped. So this was not here the other day that we came to Epcot. I have never been here during Festival of the Arts, but not sure if this is part of it. But I can't think of another explanation as to why these flowers would be here. Look how pretty they are.
We could go stand there.
So we're entering Mexico now because, oh look, they have a frozen dessert party. I need to get my passport stamped in Mexico, Norway, and Canada. So we're in Mexico now to get on the boat ride that's in there. And also the stamp kids, what is it? Kids Fun Stop? Kids Cot is in there. There's actually like a whole shop in there. It's like crazy. It looks really nice in there. I've only seen on like Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, that's where we're headed to go on the ride and also get my stamp. Oh, it's Miguel. There's a little stop to get my stamp. Check this place out. It's really nice in here, babe. I've come to get my stamp. Hi. Yay, bienvenida a Mexico. Mexico.
This way!
That's cute.
McDonald's. Like fireworks.
It's very dark here in the World Showcase and very loud. But we just got the stamp for Norway. So now we're on our way over to Canada to get the last stamp in my passport.
Yes.
Yay!
Yes.
I'll show you guys all my stamps when it's all finished. Thanks to this fine man for allowing me to get my passport and coming along to get my stamps.
It's been fun.
Right? Well, they're our stamps. They're not my stamps. It's our passport.
It's all good.
We could tell people that we've been all around to all different countries and they'll be like, oh my god, really?
Yeah, look at my
and they'll be like, yeah,
passport.
look at my passport. What did you get?
Poutine.
What's poutine?
French fries and gravy with cheese curds.
Ew, I just
You
want
love French fries, so I figured you would like it.
I just want French.
Huh?
Did you hear me? I just want French fries. I want fish tacos from Mexico. All right, so we're here to get the stamp for
Canada.
Canada. Toy Story 4. Duke Kaboom.
That's
Canada's greatest stuntman. The Kid Cot is down this little path near Le Cellier. Looks like we have reservations to this fancy spot. We don't. I see it! It's back there! So my passport is finally finished. We started in Italy. Went over to Japan. I think is one of my favorites.
I like Japan.
So she wrote Gabby and Ryan. And I think she wrote Welcome to Japan,
She
right?
did.
Like, how cute are these? Very, like, Hello Kitty-ish. Then we went over to Morocco.
Yep.
Where it said, Welcome to Morocco, right?
Yes.
That she wrote. Then we have Welcome to France. United Kingdom. Where we met Winnie the Pooh.
Yes.
Welcome to the USA. LOLs. Like a little bear. Move my bag. Then we went to Germany. And she said it was like warm greetings or something
Yes.
from Snow White. Look at Snow White's name in German. Like, bruh, I'm shooketh. Then we went to China, where she said she wrote Happily Ever After in Mandarin. Hello else. Oh my god, that's what we wanted to see, Mulan. We're probably not going to see her.
Yeah.
Then we have Welcome to Mexico, which we got today. Welcome to Norway. It's a Viking. Canada.
And then our
She
neighbor
said,
to the north got the last 2 pages.
Welcome to Canada. Canada. Duke Kaboom. And then she gave me this wonderful postcard. I traveled the World Showcase at Epcot. Oh my god. All right, we've entered the land. We're going to Soarin' for our last fast pass of the trip. Look, Awesome Planet coming soon.
Awesome Planet coming soon.
Wow, I have the echo. Here we go. Last fast pass of the night. It's like a 10-minute wait. The one time we use a fast pass for Soarin', it's 10 minutes. Is he ready? I heard this section, we're sitting in section B, row 2, which I've heard on Instagram is the best section and row to sit in. Which is so funny because we didn't even request it. I saw the video on Instagram like 2 days ago and I liked it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What are the odds?
Right? How great. Let's go.